Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Hey, it's the evening of January the 8th, 2025, and I'm on my Dabba network dashboard, and I want to show you a video explaining a lot better than I can by my friend Dawn Phillips. And for $199 US, you could buy a hotspot/router, have them install it, and once the token launch happens in hopefully first quarter of this year, get a passive income that will blow your socks off. A couple $100 to a couple thousand. Let's take a look at the video.
India became the most populated country in the world with 1.43 billion people and the fifth largest economy, surpassing countries like the United Kingdom, France, and Canada. Yet over half of our population doesn't have access to the internet. That's over 600 million people without connectivity for one of the fastest growing economies in the world. For comparison, in the US, only 8% of the population doesn't have internet access, and in China, it's around 26%. Internet access in India is not just a service for the privileged, it's the backbone for every economic class. For some perspective, 80% of street vendors depend on digital payments, which resulted in over $1.3 trillion worth of transactions in 2023 alone. Another fun statistic, 467 million Indians are active on social media. That's nearly the size of North and Central America combined, watching reels on Instagram, and it's still just 32% of the Indian population. The fastest growing economy needs a faster growing communications infrastructure. And Dabba aims to bridge this gap by decentralizing internet infrastructure, making connectivity cheaper and faster. Watch our next video on the Dabba network and why India needs a DePIN like Dabba. Own a piece of the internet in India. Visit dabba.com now.
Hey guys, well, I own a piece of the internet in India, and I'm going to be buying some more hotspots. Use my referral link below. That would help me. And again, appreciate it. And if you want to get some legitimate passive income, take a look at my referral link for $199. You can effortlessly and without any work buy a hotspot/router, have them install it, and collect money. That's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.